Our tagline for blood donation, a single drop of your blood could be a drop of life for someone else, is apt. As giving blood is undoubtedly the greatest act of kindness a person can do for a fellow human being. Greetings to all individuals this morning. For a worthy cause, we have all assembled here. We are pleased to have you join us for the 11th blood donation camp at GD Goenka International School, Surat.
We are glad to notify that Surat Rakthan Kendra has been associated with GDGIS since a decade. Dr. Pradeep Desai, the founder trustee of Surat Rakthan Kendra, also the past president of Surat Rakthan Kendra and senior most pathologist and today's chief guest, came up with the concept to start the voluntary blood bank 43 years ago on October 1st, 1976. We must hear it loud for sir. A very noble deed, sir, and we are proud to be a part of it. Thank you, sir.
On March 8, 2004, the Institute was granted license to operate a regional blood transfusion center. This was an extra feather in the cap since it allowed rendering service to many of the Surat district's interior regions where timely blood availability was a challenge. Can we hear it a little louder for them?
With deep appreciation, we welcome our chief guest for the day, Sir Shri Pradeep Desai.
Further, we have our guest of honor, Dr. Prashant Nayak, consultant pathologist at Newburgh Abha Laboratory. Honorable guests, Dr. Pradeep Pethe, the current president at Surat Rakthan Kendra, Mr. Haresh Mehta, Honorable Additional Secretary at Surat Rakthan Kendra. He couldn't make it to the event as he is not keeping well. Dr. Kruti Dumaswala, current director at Surat Rakthan Kendra. Mr. Viral Chaliwala, who has donated blood 185 times. And Ms. Sejal Ben Kaparia, who has donated blood 26 times. Our chief mentor, Sir Shri Manar Bhai Kakaria. Our beloved Vasan Ba Kakaria. Our Director Operations, Ms. Director Principal, Ms. Jayashri Chararia, our Director Operations, Ms. Sejal Thakkar, and the Administrator, Mr. Ajay Singh, our coordinators and assistant coordinators of different sections.
We would also like to give a thanks to our trustee members, Mr. Gopal Dokania, Secretary Trustee Member of GDGIS, Mr. Parvat Kakadia, Mr. Naresh Shah, Mr. Bharat Reshamwala, Mr. Mohan Bajaj, and Mr. Kamlesh Yagnik. Thank you so much all the trustees and the management members to be a part of this event.
In our GDGIS family, we have eminent personalities amongst whom there are doctors as well. And today we have invited some of them to be a part of this social event. Dr. Divyang Parmar, MS Orthopedic Surgeon from Pre-Primary, Dr. Alka Trivedi, MD Anesthesia from Pre-Primary, Dr. Kevin Shah, MS Glaucoma Surgeon from Primary, Dr. Ira Shah, Specialist in MS Vitrectomy Surgery from Primary, Dr. Nipun Jindal, MD Radiologist from Middle Section, Dr. Suman Agarwal, MD Dermatologist from Middle Section, Dr. Ravi Purohit, MS Orthopedic Surgeon from Higher, Dr. Vidisha Das, Dialectologist and Endocrinologist from Higher Section.
We also take this opportunity to extend a hearty welcome to all the students and faculty members of GD Goenka International School who have come to witness this outstanding communal event with us.
As it is customary, lighting of a lamp heralds the start of a stirring day. It is said that people pray to Lord Ganesha to ask for his blessings before the commencement of any significant occasion. Therefore, we have the students from 5th to 8th grade, Navya Randeria, Rama Arora, Sachi Desai, Kanira Singla to present the Ganesh Shloka. May we request our distinguished guest of honor, our chief mentor, Sir Shri Manar Bhai Kakaria ji, our Vasanpa, our Director Principal, Ms. Jayashri Chararia, the members of the top management and our coordinators and assistant coordinators to come forward and kindle the lamp. Thank you, dear all. You may take your seats now.
Moving on, let us all listen to a motivating song sung by the students from grade 6 to 9 under the guidance of Vishal sir, Hen sir, Karthik sir, Montu sir and Naveen sir from the PVA department. The performers are Khoshagra Rathi on keyboard, Nirik Patel on keyboard, Raghuvir Kashyap on guitar, Yajit Malpani on guitar, Reyansh Pruthi on drums. The vocalists are Rama Arora, Sara Sanghvi, Sachi Desai, Minakshi Vaidyan, Trisha Kedia, Amulya Agarwal, Miksha Patel, Navya Randeria, Rishika Tiwari, Raditya Bhagat, Kartikeya Agrawal, Paridhi Agarwal and Kanira Shingla.
A little longer
heart-melting song. Can we hear it still more louder for them? Thank you so much.
Time now to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Pradeep Desai. May I request our trustee member, Kamlesh Yagnik sir, to please come forward to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Pradeep Desai, senior most pathologist, founder trustee and past president of Surat Raktadaan Kendra.
In the mid-1970s, Dr. Pradeep K. Desai, Dr. Vinod H. Shah, and Dr. Nikunj Lata Tijoriwala, with the support of late Shri Sardar Wazir Singh and then the Municipal Commissioner, Shri K. Ramamurthy, initiated the establishment of a voluntary blood bank. Their goal was to provide high-quality human blood collected from healthy voluntary donors at minimal processing costs.
So much. You may take your seats now. Continuing further with the felicitation of the prominent personalities, may we have our guest of honor, Dr. Prashant Nayak, who is MD Consultant Pathologist at Newburgh Aba Laboratory. And for his felicitation, may we request Dr. Divyang Parmar and Dr. Alka Trivedi to please come forward. Dr. Prashant is an MD consultant and a pathologist at Newburgh Aba Laboratory. Thank you, dear all. You may take your seats now. Next, we would like to felicitate our honorable guest, Dr. Pradeep Pethe, who is MS Neurosurgeon and President at Surat Raktadaan Kendra. And for his felicitation, may we request Dr. Bidisha Das to please come forward. Neurosurgeon of South Gujarat with over 40 years of practice. Thank you, dear all. You may take your seats now. Next, we would like to felicitate our honorable guest, Dr. Kruti Dumaswala, MD Transfusion Medicine and Director at Surat Raktadaan Kendra. May we request Dr. Kevin Shah and Dr. Ira Shah to please come forward to felicitate Dr. Kruti. Take your seats now. Next, we would like to felicitate our honorable guest, Ms. Sejal Ben Kaparia, who has donated blood over 26 times. And for her felicitation, may we request Dr. Suman Agarwal and Dr. Nipun Jindal to please come upon the stage. said, a single drop of your blood could be a drop of life for someone else. Thank you, dear all. You may take your seats now.
मौका दीजिए अपने खून को किसी की रगों में बहने का। ये लाजवाब तरीका है कई जिस्मों में जिंदा रहने का। Giving blood is a wonderful way to show compassion, and GDGIS, the complete smart premium school, has been a part of this admirable deed since 2013. This year marks our 11th year of participation, demonstrating our leadership in generosity. So without further ado, let's take a look at the video presentation posted here. તો ચાલો હવે વધુ સમય ન બગાડતા GDGIS દ્વારા જે રક્તદાન ઝુંબેશ ચાલવામાં આવી રહી છે તેની જાણકારી આ વિડિયો દ્વારા મેળવીએ.
This is what GDGIS is, the Complete Smart Premium School. We also acknowledge the presence of our PTM members, Dr. Pradeep Dalwari and Dr. Kruti Vaidya. We welcome you. Moving ahead, I'm sure everyone is aware of stem cells as well. They are the only cells in our body capable of producing several cell kinds, including bone, muscle, and blood cells. These days, stem cells are necessary to treat blood disorders and blood cancer.
Moving ahead, to ignite us with words of wisdom and knowledge, with much pride, I would like to invite the paramount of principals, the head of our institution, our director principal, Jayashree ma'am, to the pulpit.
Thank you, Nancy and Shreya. A very warm morning to all the parents present here, all the staff, and Dr. Pradeep Desai, Dr. Pete, Dr. Prashant Nayak, Kamlesh Sir, Ba, and all the other eminent members and all our family doctor parents. We are so enlightened to have you here, and your journey of life has always been inspiring to all of us and to my children. I stand before you today with a profound sense of gratitude and responsibility. As the Director Principal of GD Goenka, I am honored to address you on a matter of utmost importance, the noble act of blood donation. Blood donation is not merely a gesture. It is an act of selflessness, compassion, and humanity. It is a gift of life that has the power to transform despair into hope, sickness into health, and darkness into light. Today, I urge each one of you to consider the profound impact that your blood can have on the lives of others. If you are eligible, please donate your blood. In our society, the demand for blood is constant, whether it's for accident victims, patients undergoing surgeries, or individuals battling life-threatening illnesses. The need for blood knows no bounds. Yet, unfortunately, the supply often falls short of this demand. I understand the idea of donating blood may evoke apprehension or uncertainty in some of you. However, I assure you that the process is safe, simple, and painless. And this is what you will see after my speech. When my children perform here, you will see how beautifully they would convey this message of donating blood and how safe and sound it is. Our medical staff ensure the highest standards of hygiene and care throughout the donation process, and we are very much thankful to Surat Raktan Kendra, who at a moment and every year we see you here. So a big clap for Surat Raktan Kendra for the noble cause they all are doing here. To the students I say this, you are the future leaders, thinkers, and influencers of our society. Your actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Embrace the values of empathy, kindness, and altruism. Let your compassion guide you in reaching out to those in need. To the faculty members and staff, I extend my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support in organizing and promoting blood donation drives within our institution. Your dedication to this cause serves as an inspiration to us all. In conclusion, I urge each one of you to join hands in this noble endeavor. Let us come together as a community to save lives, spread hope, and make a meaningful difference in the world. Remember, every drop of blood donated is a gift of life, and together we have the power to make a profound impact. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear ma'am, for your generous yet leading and motivating words.
Now we invite the future leaders of tomorrow to share with us why they think donating blood is important. Your words can inspire others to join this cause and make a difference in someone's life. Please come forward and share your thoughts with us. Together, let's spread awareness about the importance of blood donation. Following this, we will witness a spectacular performance by students of classes 3 and 4. They are here to present a Nukkad Natak, a street play. These little ones have been guided by their teachers, Ms. Meenakshi, Ms. Dimple, Ms. Kruti, and Ms. Rinki. The performers who are going to share about importance of blood are Niyati Bhardwaj, Kiara Bansal, Gauravi Jain, Ananya Sihora, Radhya Kejriwal, Varnit Goyal, Miraya Agarwal, Areen Patel, Aryanshi Solanki, Arshia Singh, Aradhya Agarwal, Vijay Daga, Aravya Singhal, Prisha Agarwal, Vihan Vedyan, and Janay Khitan.
The performers of Nukkad Natak are Ryan Maghasya, Kaira Shingla, Navya Pamnani, Ashi Tulsian, Siddhi Vasoya, Amaira Chaparia, Palaksh Patel, Janisha Chopra, Aradhya Dhanak, Maitreyi Swami, Yuvan Shah, Anaya Patel, Sanvi Dharewa, Pratyush Jain, Ahan Gatani, Purav Khara, Yahan Kadmawala, Viana Mulya, Yashvi Verma, Hriday Tulsian, Tanishka Chaudhary and Shanaya Singh. So can we hear it for them?
A very good morning to our respected chief guest, honorable guests, our trustee members, our chief mentor, all the members of top management, coordinators, teachers, our humble parents, and my dear friends, me Niyati and Kiara welcome you to Blood Donation Day. As students appear for the exams, the question papers sometimes appear like a tough riddle to them, but somehow they manage to solve it. Let's not put you all in that similar situation and rather ask you your very simple question. Are you ready? Listen carefully. I'm red, but I'm not a strawberry. I have different types, but I'm not an apple. I can be pumped, but I'm not a bicycle tire. I can be donated, but I'm not money. I'm in your body, but I'm not your heart. Can you guess the name? Absolutely right. It is blood. Give a drop, save a life. In this dance of destiny, underneath the shining lights lies the power of humanity. In moments of emergency, when hope seems thin and frail, the act of giving blood can tip the balance of the scale. With this note, let's all welcome the students of class 3 and 4 who are going to show you the importance of donating blood through Nukkad Natak.
रक्तदान एक समाज सेवा का महत्वपूर्ण पहलू है जो हमें अनजानों की जिंदगी को बचाने का अवसर प्रदान करता है। हमारे समाज में बहुत से लोग रक्त की कमी से पीड़ित हैं और उन्हें उपचार के लिए रक्त की आवश्यकता होती है। रक्तदान के माध्यम से हम न केवल अपना लाभ करते हैं बल्कि दूसरों की जिंदगी को भी बचाते हैं। यह एक प्रेमपूर्ण कृत्य है जो हमें हमारे समाज के प्रति जिम्मेदारी को बढ़ावा देता है। रक्तदान एक ऐसा उपाय है जिससे आप स्वयं तो अच्छा महसूस करेंगे बल्कि अन्यों के जीवन में सकारात्मक परिवर्तन ला सकेंगे। आपके बच्चों को भी इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय के बारे में शिक्षित करें और उन्हें रक्तदान का महत्व समझाएं। इससे वे सामाजिक दायित्व के प्रति जागरूक होंगे। रक्तदान के साथ हम न केवल अपने समुदाय में साझेदारी करते हैं बल्कि हम एक उत्तम सामाजिक संस्कृति की ओर प्रयाण करते हैं। इसलिए आप सभी से मेरी विनती है कि आप रक्तदान के इस महत्वपूर्ण कार्य में सहयोग करें और हमारे समाज को मजबूत बनाने में मदद करें। धन्यवाद।
आओ आओ नाटक देखो, आओ आओ नाटक देखो, आओ आओ नाटक देखो, आओ आओ नाटक देखो। रक्तदान ही जीवन दान, रक्तदान ही जीवन दान।
सोच हम बच्चों की देखो,
सोच हम बच्चों की देखो, सोच हम बच्चों की देखो। नमस्ते, आज हम सब मिलकर आए हैं एक महान उद्देश्य के लिए, जो है रक्तदान। रक्तदान, 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 रक्तदान। यह रक्तदान क्या होता है? कुछ जरूरी है क्या इसमें? सुनिए, आपको पता है कि एक ही चिंगारी से कितने दीपक जलते हैं? आप एक चिंगारी बन सकते हैं इंसानियत की रोशनी को बढ़ाने के लिए। पर कैसे? रक्तदान से। एक छोटी सी कोशिश लेकिन बड़ा असर। आप अपने रक्त से किसी की भी जिंदगी को बचा सकते हैं। बिल्कुल, हर एक रक्तदान एक नई जिंदगी की शुरुआत होता है। अस्पतालों में हर रोज हजारों लोग रक्त की कमी से लड़ते हैं। आपका रक्त उनकी जिंदगी को बचा सकता है। इस विषय पर रोशनी डालते हुए हम आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं नुक्कड़ नाटक रक्तदान, इंसानियत की ओर एक कदम। छोड़ो मिथक, तोड़ो भरम, छोड़ो मिथक, तोड़ो भरम। रक्तदान की कीमत जान, रक्तदान की कीमत जान, रक्तदान की कीमत जान। रक्त तंत्र यह शुद्ध करे, रक्त तंत्र यह शुद्ध करे, सेहत को पहुँचाए ना नुकसान, सेहत को पहुँचाए ना नुकसान, सेहत को पहुँचाए ना नुकसान। मैंने रक्तदान के बारे में सुना है, पर मुझे डर लग रहा है। क्या ये चोट नहीं करता और क्या ये सुरक्षित है? अरे, घबराहट महसूस करना स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाती हूँ, यह एक सरल और सुरक्षित प्रक्रिया है। सुई की चुभन मामूली है और 1 सेकंड तक ही चलती है। आपकी सुरक्षा और आराम सुनिश्चित करने के लिए हर उपाय किया जाता है। रक्तदान साबित होता, रक्तदान साबित होता, निस्सहाय को वरदान, निस्सहाय को वरदान, निस्सहाय को वरदान। रक्त की हर एक बूंद दे, रक्त की हर एक बूंद दे, टूटती सांसों को नव प्राण, टूटती सांसों को नव प्राण, टूटती सांसों को नव प्राण। डॉक्टर साहब, जल्दी से इनका इलाज कीजिए, इनका बहुत बुरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। डॉक्टर साहब, पैसों की चिंता ना करें, आप बस इन्हें बचा लीजिए। इनका बहुत ज्यादा खून बह रहा है, तुरंत ही इलाज करना होगा। हमें ब्लड की आवश्यकता होगी। आप जल्द से जल्द ब्लड बैंक से रक्त का प्रबंध करें। हमें भी नेगेटिव ब्लड की आवश्यकता है। रक्तदान के कार्यक्रमों के कारण हम बी नेगेटिव, जो कि बहुत ही दुर्लभ रखते हैं, उसका समय पर प्रबंध कर पाए हैं। आपका खूब खूब धन्यवाद। समय पर रक्त का प्रबंध होने के कारण ही हम इनकी जान बचा पाए हैं। रक्तदान है महादान, रक्तदान है महादान, निष्प्राण को दे जीवन दान, निष्प्राण को दे जीवन दान, निष्प्राण को दे जीवन दान। सभी को नमस्ते। क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपके पास दुनिया का सबसे कीमती उपहार है? एक उपहार जो जीवन बचा सकता है। और आपको अपने समय के कुछ क्षणों के अलावा कुछ भी खर्च नहीं करना है।
क्या आप जानते हैं कैसे?
रक्तदान करके। एक दान 3 लोगों की जान बचा सकता है।
यह वास्तव में परम उपहार है, जीवन का उपहार है।
तो आइए और जीडी गोयनका में आयोजित किए गए रक्तदान कार्यक्रम में आपका अमूल्य योगदान दीजिए। धन्यवाद।
powerful message our friends have shared today.
Yes, indeed. As it is rightly said, it's not you and me, but we. Share a little, care a little. Blood is meant to circulate. Pass it around.
If blood donation is so important, why children cannot donate blood?
I know that being a Goenkan, we feel the urge to contribute to the society by donating blood. But there are certain criteria we need to follow to donate blood. Let us make everyone aware about it.
Good morning, everyone. Here are some criteria you need to follow before donating blood. The donor must be fit and healthy and should not be suffering from any transmittable diseases.
Age and weight between 18 and 65 years old and should weigh a minimum of 50 kg. Pulse rate between 50 and 100 without irregularities. Hemoglobin level, a minimum of 12.5 gram per deciliter. Blood pressure, 120 upon 80 millimeter mercury. Body temperature should be normal with an oral temperature not exceeding 37.5 degrees Celsius. The time period between successive blood donations should be more than 3 months. Donor should have sound sleep day prior to donation. Donor should not be in medicated condition. Good morning, everyone. Now let's see certain conditions under which individuals are deemed ineligible to donate blood. Have asthma with active symptoms and severe asthma patients. Had fits, tuberculosis or allergic disorders in the past. Had fits, pregnant or breastfeeding women, anybody who has consumed alcohol in the past 24 hours. Underwent immunization in the past 1 month. Underwent major or dental procedure, general surgeries in the past 1 month. Have or had ear or body piercing or tattoo in the past 6 months. Women who had miscarriage in the past 6 months. When you give blood, you give another birthday, another anniversary, another day at the beach, another night under the stars, another talk with a friend, another laugh, another hug, another chance. So, we implore each one of you to consider becoming a blood donor if you are eligible. By doing so, you will be joining a noble cause. Remember, each drop of blood donated is the ultimate gift of life. Hope you all have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.
That was completely adorable and informative. These tiny Goenkans have captured the spirit of compassion and the significance of blood donation so skillfully through the street play. Also, the information provided by our young Goenkans was quite useful. Can we hear it a little louder for them?
We are delighted to have amongst us Dr. Prashant K. Nayak, Deputy Director and Consultant, Pathologist at Newburgh Abha Laboratory, Surat, to speak at our event. With a rich background in hematology, clinical chemistry and molecular pathology, Dr. Nayak has been pivotal in integrating modern IT infrastructure into the lab operations. His research has gained international recognition. Notably, his work has been presented to the American Society of Hematology. A renowned speaker and former president of the Surat Medical Consultants Association, Dr. Nayak's insights promise to be enlightening. हमें बेहद खुशी होगी सर अगर आप हमें रक्तदान के महत्व के बारे में ज्ञान के कुछ शब्दों से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें. आपके शब्द निश्चित रूप से हम सभी को इस नेक कार्य में योगदान देने के लिए प्रेरित करेंगे। वो कहते हैं ना सर, वक्त का हर क्षण और रक्त का हर कण अमूल्य होता है। इसीलिए वक्त ना गवाते हुए मैं आपसे निवेदन करती हूँ कि आप हमें ज्ञान के कुछ शब्द प्रदान करें। थैंक यू सर।
At the outset, a very good morning. When I saw these kids performing, I'm just stumped. Because when we were in the 3rd or 4th standard, I don't think we had this ability, nor did we have this capacity. So, these kids deserve a big round of applause. That's what I thought. I don't know who to thank. The gene pool, the parents, because we parents love to take credit. You know, after all, we pay fees in schools. So we parents should take that credit. But beyond that, I think it's the teachers, because handling these kids / pests is quite a task. And the information they gave us was immaculate. We have a transfusion medicine specialist here, and even the WHO has the same material on it. So from now, when they can use these heavy words and heavy jargon, I don't know, I stand very impressed. So big kudos, Jai Shriben, as a director principal. And the team of trustees is not only trustworthy, but they are visionaries. Because Kakadia Sahib, I've known him since he was busy into construction, and I think he's constructing something new now. He's building academic lives. Kamlesh Bhai, who's here, he's always been a beacon of hope and guidance for many luminaries. Always silent in his steps, but loud in his actions. And that's something we all should learn. GD Goenka International School, I'm personally very impressed. In our days, we had St. Xavier's. So I always say I'm proud to be a Xavierite. And the catchword is Xavierites are dynamites. So now with so much chaos going on in the world, let's remove the dynamites. Let's talk about dynamism. And beyond that, I think we have somebody with us, Sejalbin Kapadia. 26 times she's given blood. And that is something which really touched my heart. Sejalbin, thank you so much. For the audience, I can just say, from 18 to 60, you can actually donate blood 168 times. So Sejalbin, you still have a lot more to donate. Because saying okay, saying chalo ho gaya, I think is not something which we should ever, sulk by. Along with me, we have some great dignitaries, doyens of medical practice. And I was just telling sir कि आज बड़ी कन्या राशि ने तुम्हें आमंत्रण आप्યું છે. Dr. Pradeep Desai, Dr. Pradeep Pethe, Dr. Prashant Nayak. So basically, as for those who know the horoscope, it all comes under Patana, that's the Kanya Rashi. So anybody who didn't know this, that's something because you didn't study at GD Goenka. Okay, so from the start, I think एक शुरुआत ये करूँगा. यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग ऐसे दिख रहे जो शायद 70s, 80s, 90s के लोग हैं. So Amar Akbar Anthony तो आपने देखी ही होगी. And if you remember the opening scene with the credits, तो एक औरत का एक्सीडेंट होता है. Amitabh Bachchan, Rishi and Vinod Khanna come out to help. So these are the donors. And हम देखते हैं उस सीन में कि एक औरत लेटी हुई है और 3 लोग खून दे रहे हैं और उसी वक्त उसे खून मिल रहा है. So Manmohan Desai, a Gujarati, so he defied gravity because the blood came like this, went like that. So ulta hona chahiye, but it's Manmohan Desai. Now, the take home from this is a few things. One is the fact blood donation is not so simple. कि you can just, ये नलका नहीं है कि पानी आया, हाथ साफ किए और बंद करके निकल पड़े. We have to test it. And एक ज़माने में blood bank used to be a small department. कोने की रूम ब्लड बैंक हुआ करती थी. आज ट्रांसफ्यूजन मेडिसिन करके सब्जेक्ट बन चुका है. उसमें भी एमडी हो रहा है. अब जैसे एमडी फिजिशियन, एमडी गायनेक, सर्जरी करते पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, उसी तरीके से उसमें एमडी होता है. So you can imagine the depth and knowledge that has gone in. And today I already see 16 MDs ready to fire because they spoke out everything that's in our manuscripts for protocol. Now the take home message is कि हम लोग अक्सर ये सोचते हैं कि हमें अपने जान पहचान वाले को, your parents, your brother, sister, but since you're all here today for an academic session too, beyond the donation, there's one thing called graft versus host disease, GVHD. And I feel the incidence is low because it is underreported, but I do sincerely feel that हो सके तो अपने रिश्तेदारों को खून मत दीजिए. डॉक्टर डुमसवाल, am I right on this? And ये इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि अक्सर हम सोचते हैं कि माँ को बेटा देगा, माँ को बेटी देगी या vice versa. But these are things which can cause reactions. हमें ये डर रहता है किसी का टेस्टिंग, बिना टेस्टिंग का ब्लड चढ़ेगा. At least in Surat, I can proudly say, and with premier institutes like Surat Ragdan Kendra, there is no chance. It's just like negligible. At the other end, since we have business luminaries, समझो HIV का infection लगा भी, so at least the death will take 10, 15, 20 years. Now with HIV, we have patients since more than 20 years. But in graft versus host disease, the chances of death are less than 1 month. So you can equate what you want. आप बाहर से जब खून लेते हैं, now they have great testing called NAT, N-A-T, that's nucleic acid testing. And in that window period जो रहता है, वो भी पकड़ते हैं. So the blood that you get is tested in the best possible way, और आपको साफ सुथरा खून मिलता है. खास करके जिन लोगों ने खून कभी डोनेट ही नहीं किया, वो एक एक्सपीरियंस जरूर लेना चाहिए. अब फिलहाल जो है 2-3 चीजें हैं. एक, वोटर होना आवश्यक है. इफ यू आर अर्निंग वेल, यू शुड पे योर टैक्सेस. आपके शरीर में खून है तो रक्त का दान कर सकते हैं. एंड सेकेंडली, विच आई एम very actively involved with, is organ donation. And I'm proud to say Surat has the highest number of organ donations in India. And since we do a lot of testing for that, I have realized one thing: we lack awareness. Surtis beyond Khaman and Locha, they are very good when it comes to giving. And this is something I love about Surat. हम लोग अक्सर यूं होते हैं, यूं नहीं कटोरा फैलाते हैं. And this is where Surat makes a difference. Now for अब सारी बातें डोनेशन की तो करने से मैं रहा, क्योंकि ये मैं समझता हूँ ये अंदर का ज़मीर जब जगेगा, बिकॉज कई लोग ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी खासियत है लोगों का खून चूसना. हम खून दे थोड़ी सकेंगे, लेकिन खून देने में जैसे कि यहाँ पे I would call her महारथी. You can see she walks, talks and smiles also. So खून देने से किसी को न कमजोरी हुई है, न किसी को दिक्कत हुई है. Secondly, once you fulfill the criteria, it is something that will make you feel very good. I see a lot of doctor friends, so they know the eminence of blood donation otherwise too. Now the good news. हम लोग अक्सर ये सोचते साइंस कहाँ जा रहा है. राइट नाउ ओहायो इन द US, वहाँ पे he's not a doctor, but he's a biomedical engineer, and Andre Palmer has defined the first sample of artificial blood. Soon we will have it. It has failed in its phase 2 and phase 3. लेकिन आर्मी में ये बहुत ही यूजफुल रहता है. When you go out onto the war front, खून नहीं है, so this artificial blood can be given instantly. Or secondly, there is no need to cross match. It stays for almost 3 years. And Andre Palmer and his team, उन्होंने जो काम किया है, शायद in the next 5 ये 3 साल third standard वाले जब तक 18-19 के होंगे, तो we might not have to do a donation camp. And firstly and lastly, I think, Choraria ma'am, the fact that this is the 11th blood camp, and I saw your photo in quite a few many years, I think she deserves a big round of applause for the effort. Because खून या तो कोई नदी में बहेगा नहीं, या तो नल से आएगा नहीं. We will have to donate it, and I think all of you, as responsible citizens, lovely Surtis, should donate. मैं ये नहीं कहता मैडम की तरह इतनी सारी बार दो, लेकिन सालाना एक बार देने की कोशिश करोगे तो भी I think it will be a great, service to the society. With this, I thank GD Goenka International School, and I thank all of the trustees who cared to invite me, and I thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for being so informative, your humorous yet enlightening words, and for gracing us with your presence today. Your insights have truly inspired us all.
It is a privilege to have with us today our esteemed chief guest, Shri Dr. Pradeep Desai. Sir, as the senior most pathologist, past president of Surat Ragdan Kendra and the founder of Ragdan Kendra, your lifelong dedication to the field of pathology and your tireless efforts in promoting blood donation has made a profound impact on our community. Considering the age factor of our esteemed chief guest, we have Dr. Pethe amongst us to address the gathering.
We are honored to invite Dr. Pradeep Pethe, the first neurosurgeon of South Gujarat with over 40 years of practice, to speak at our event. A distinguished graduate of the Armed Forces Medical College and Mumbai University, where he achieved the first ever distinction in neurosurgery. Dr. Pethe has performed more than 10,000 neurosurgical operations. His vast experience and pioneering contributions make him an invaluable speaker, and we look forward to learning from his extensive expertise. Please join us in welcoming Dr. Pradeep Pethe. Over to you, sir.
Hello. Am I audible? Good morning, and a special thanks to GD Goenka International School, Mr. Manar Kapadia, Srimati Ba, trustees, Kamlesh Bhai, and my senior colleagues, Dr. Pradeep Desai, who has been a mentor and a very inspirational figure, not only in the field of blood transfusion, but even otherwise, personally. Prashant Nayak, of course, is a young colleague and a friend. I was, I think, more friend with his father also. I'm very, very happy to be here, and I think this is my 4th visit to the school, the 4th time that I've been here for the camp. But I'm glad to see that this is the 11th blood donation camp. And thanks to the management and, of course, Mrs. Choraria, who has led this effort every year. And, of course, the support of all the teachers and parents. And the beautiful presentations by these young children here. I think these are potential donors. You see, I mean, spreading this message of blood donation right from this age, after 18, when they start their life in a different field, I think they will be motivated to donate blood. If not as much as Sejal Ben, like Prashant said, but at least once a year, twice a year. I would like to emphasize only one thing, that blood donation basically is a very safe procedure. There are no risks involved. Once you are eligible as per the criteria, it's very safe. I would like to give you an example. I remember there were times in KEM hospital where I trained as a neurosurgeon, and my teacher and guide, and he was the head of the department of neurosurgery, Dr. Pandya, he was B negative. And there were times when patients who needed B negative blood, he would be at the blood bank at 8 in the morning, donate a bottle of blood, and come back and operate on that patient. You see, we've had, and I don't want to mention this like little Jack Horner, telling you how good I was, but there were times when we had to, even in the middle of surgery, when I was assisting him, he would say, Dr. Pete, why don't you just go down and donate a bottle because we need more. And we had to rush down, come back again, scrub again, and then assist him. This is just to emphasize the fact that blood donation is a very safe procedure, and it does not take away anything from you. In fact, the blood regenerates within a short time, and that's why, as has already been mentioned, you can donate once in 3 months. A lot of people are doing that now, and I'm very, very happy. My association with Surat Raktadan Kendra has been for the last, I would say, about 19 years now. I've been president of this esteemed organization, having taken off from all the stalwarts before me. I'm very happy to be associated with this organization because we have the most ethical, most scientific, most modern techniques involved in blood transfusion overall. Collecting blood, issuing blood, the testing that goes on, and it would be a very happy occasion if you bring some of your senior students and even the parents. I would like to invite the parents to come and visit our center to know exactly how this whole process happens. Because it's a very educative, very enlightening process where you can see exactly how a blood sample is processed to make it very safe. Like Prashant before me said, that NAT testing, which reduces the window period in certain diseases, we were the first to introduce that. And that, of course, was Dr. Pradeep Desai's vision to make the blood as safe as possible. And I'm proud to say that we do give the most or the purest blood in South Gujarat at least, if not in Gujarat. So overall, I'm extremely proud to be here this morning, and I'm grateful for the invitation. I also would request you to keep me associated with this organization in future blood donation programs, whether I'm president of the organization or not. It would be my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your stimulating words. Let us all now welcome Dr. Pradeep Desai to share few words with us. Dear parents, I request you to please stay back as the PTM will start after 10. Once the event culminates, the PTM will start. So kindly be here.
Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I would like to congratulate and thank Sri Manharbhai and the entire staff of Goenka School for having arranged this wonderful program. This is the second or third time that I am coming here for this kind of blood donation related program, which makes me feel the amount of dedication towards this voluntary blood donation movement in city of Surat, which is exhibited by the founders and the current office bearers of GD Goenka School. Therefore, going back in the history of the blood donation movement, voluntary blood donation movement in Surat. In the time when I started my practice in pathology in Surat, there used to be 2 or 3 blood banks, private blood banks. Each one of them derived the blood from the professional donors. I do not want to criticize or denigrate the professional blood donors, because those poor people who were half starving also donated their blood, which helped to keep alive many of our patients. So it is not that, many of them were not very healthy. They themselves, some of them were in need of blood, and yet they gave the blood for donation and all kinds of things, all negative things. But I look at the positive part of it, and these are the people who were responsible for maintaining the blood transfusion services in the city of Surat. Having seen all this, having also seen the outcome or the results of some of these kind of, what shall I say, not very appropriately controlled blood transfusion. There were mishaps, all kinds of things happened. But anyway, to cut the matter short, at one point of time, fairly early in the practice, I was attached to Surat General Hospital as a pathologist, and one of our founders of Surat Rakadan Kendra, Dr. Vinod Shah, his wife suddenly developed a condition. I don't know, most of you will not appreciate, but the condition was such that he started vomiting blood one night. Vomiting blood by buckets, almost. And we started procuring blood from friends and relatives, not from the blood bank, because the blood bank, I was not happy with the level of satisfactory level of safety of that blood. So we arranged, in one night, we managed to give 16 units of blood one night, and all this collected on the spot from friends and relatives, tested in spite of the fact that the blood was coming from very healthy, well-known people, yet each blood was tested by all required tests for safety of the blood and transfused to this lady. Luckily, she made it. She survived. And then that gave us an idea that in Surat, what happens if one of us were to require this kind of effort, and the professional blood banks, with all due credit, they helped the medical community of Surat for past many years to keep things going, surgery and this and that and all. But as a qualified pathologist, I felt it is our duty to create one voluntary blood bank which will provide the blood from healthy donors, fully tested before giving it into the vein of somebody else. And that idea took off. Luckily, I was very much helped by some of my friends in Surat General Hospital, including Sri Kanhaiyalal Modi, who was the president of Surat General Hospital at that time. He initially allocated one room and said, okay, Pradeep bhai, you can start blood bank here. Now in one room, when I see this Surat Raktan Kendra now, I personally feel how the hell did I manage to start a blood bank in that room? But it started. And the result is now what you can see there in Katodra. So it is very important ultimately that we have to do some kind of a, what shall I say, some kind of adventure in order to create something significant. And I am happy to say today that this adventure has succeeded very much, and finally today we are here to celebrate this particular activity, which I think is a very adorable thought on the part of persons like Sri Manhar Bhai to support this kind of activity and this kind of educative gathering people here and promoting this idea of voluntary blood donation. This is a long story, almost more than 50 years old now, and I am very happy and proud to have been associated right from the day one. I and Dr. Vinod Shah, we are almost starting, people who started our practice at that time. Dr. Tijoriwala was one of the senior person, philanthropic minded and very noble lady. So we requested her to take the presidentship of this Raktadan Canal because she had that laboratory. She had that that credibility in the society that with her name we go somewhere and ask for money. So I have moved in textile market from shop to shop to shop, collected 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, itna dene ka, itna dene. Like that we collected the money. Now we have got people like Sri Vasan Bhai of what is it? Color Tex. One day he, my friend, Shah, telephoned me. Sir, send some donation for Canada. He straight away wrote a check of 2 crores of rupees and sent it. That is the situation now. So ultimately I am very happy and proud that we could establish in the city of Surat this kind of institution with now full research facility. I am firstly a pathologist, secondly I am a research scientist. I am no industrialist, I am nobody, I am just a medical doctor, but with some idea about research activity and all that, which I think I have succeeded in providing this institution, which is now WHO recognized, this recognized, DGCI recognized, research recognition, everything is there. So this is a kind of satisfaction which I think at my age I am very happy to say that I am fully satisfied with what we have done, what we have achieved, and Surat has got a institution which, as I know, some of my people in Kendra knows, it's one of the first 10 blood banks in the whole country today. Surat Raktan Kendra, that is where we stand. So, that is a matter of satisfaction and to some extent undeserved pride also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words and for embellishing us with your presence today. Your commitment to the cause of blood donation is truly venerable. Dear parents, just 5-10 minutes and we'll be winding up the program. So kindly be patient and support us in this event.
Time now to witness the enthusiastic performance by the students of grade 5 and 6 headed by Ms. Henida Dasadia. Aditi Jain, Charvi Chausi, Prajna Agarwal, Mahiwala, Gun Savani, Drisha Holjiwala, Ipshita Dhama, Arohi Patel, Harvi Kumari Gamit, Panishka Ravani, Kavya Ranka, Paniksha Savalia, Kimaya Thanvi, Yashvika Nelwal, Diya Bhatia, Kiara Gandhi, Viraya Thakur, Priyana Batra, Jia Vaidya and Arushi Bhaskar. These are our performers.
was very captivating and impactful performance. Keep up the spirit.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank the entire committee for sharing their insightful opinions. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of our guests for sharing some of the best words this auditorium has ever heard.
हम प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से इस नए कार्य में जुड़े हुए आप सभी के सहयोग के लिए सहृदय धन्यवाद देते हैं।
Wrapping up, I would like to emphasize what the little Goenkin during Nukkad Natak said. It's not you or me, but we. Share a little, care a little. Blood is meant to circulate. Pass it around.
On this thought-provoking quote, I would like to urge each one of you to rise in honor of our national anthem and sing the stirring verse with pride.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्तर गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata ki Vande.
Dear parents, you may now proceed towards the respective section for the PTM, and for the others, I request everyone to move towards the school dining area for the blood donation inauguration. I would request Ms. Monaz and student council members to escort the members of our top management along with our esteemed guests towards the dining area.
Attention! Welcome tune. Position. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start.
Along with the honorable guests, Surat